My name is Wallace. I'm from Rochester, New York. I do detailing on and off on the side. I've been doing it for about 3 years now. I just want to get a better knowledge of detailing overall, make sure I'm doing everything correctly. Yesterday with the exterior, I really enjoyed the buffing, using the compounds, just learning so many different ways to make the paint look better and actually not just have it look better, but know that it's corrected and it's going to be almost permanent. Interior today, I enjoyed the steam cleaner because it's so versatile. You can use it on pretty much any surface. You can use like a pre-spray and it comes right off with it. So that's what I enjoyed. My overall experience this week was great. I really enjoyed just having great guys to work with, and the instructors are great, just really hands-on and just teaching you how to really get into detail of everything. And I would definitely recommend someone to do this if they really want to take their detailing to the next level.